Matthew, hey man, what's going on? This is Joe with Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you a couple things you can do on your website once you get one to boost your online ranking, your online presence, and get you some of those leads that everybody wants. I know you don't have a website, so I'm going to go off of your top two competitors and kind of just show you what they're doing and what we can do to improve it and make it better. So first, this is number one. He's number one because he has his website built out. All these are different pages, so his website's huge. Then he also has content on those pages as well. Content is king when it comes to Google. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 on your home page, and then 500 to 700 on your back pages. So if we scroll real quick, obviously, he has some content. Definitely not that 1,500 to 2,000 that Google likes to see. So if we put that 1,500 to 2,000 word on your website, you could easily blow him out and outrank him in that aspect. You'd also need to build out your website to have as many pages as his, and as well as how many words he has on his back pages. So if he has like 500, you'll need to put 700. You just want to outdo him in every way you can. Show you this once it loads. Alright. So pictures. Still loading. Taking forever to... Alright, sorry. So I had to pause it for you so it could load. But it doesn't really look like this part down here loaded, so I don't know what's going on with his website. But that 500 to 700 word limit we're looking for, but he has a built-out website which is giving him more content than other people. So that's why he's ranking where he's at. I also want to point out the not secure. Since he has a form you guys can submit, Google wants your website secure. If it's not secure, somebody could come in here and steal whatever information they can get off of the form they submit. So definitely make sure you have content. Definitely make sure your website is built out. This is your number two competitor. As you can see, obviously not as many back pages as your first one. 10. If we scroll here, right, obviously the 2,000 word that we like to see either. So super easy to do. I mean, not a lot of people know the tricks, but content on here, throw keywords on here that people are searching for, build out your website as big it. You'll definitely outrank them in that aspect. So super easy. Next, citations. That is how many websites have your business name, address, and phone number. So the more you have, the easier it is for Google to rank you in your local map listing. This is number one, sitting at 32. You can come in here if you wanted to and get the 32 that you don't have right now. And you'll be sitting at 32, obviously, right? But what we do is we pile on as many as possible. That way, once they realize they're not number one, which they will, it's going to be harder for them to go out and get more citations. They're hiring an expert, most likely, to go out there and get them. But we'll keep an eye on it and, pile on as many as possible. Double it, maybe even triple it. So it's a lot harder for them to do it. A lot harder for them to come back and add more. Citations, pretty straightforward. So moving on to backlinks. Backlinks pass power to your website. So the more you have, the more good quality backlinks you have, the more power you get to your website, the higher you rank. Backlinks are different websites that have a link going back to your website. And the thing to keep in mind with backlinks is it's quality over quantity. You can go out there and get 20 bad backlinks, but if I go out there and get 10 good quality backlinks, my website's going to outrank you every day. So keep that in mind. This guy has 219 backlinks, which really isn't that much. So you could easily go out there and get the good quality backlinks and, get your website where this guy is at. Get those leads you're missing out on. This is your number 2 guy. He has 219 backlinks. If we go over here, get your number 1 dude. Get your number 1, less backlinks, I believe it was, but he's beating the other guy in every other area. So that's why he is still number 1. So all of these things, the 3 things I'm talking to you today about, all play a vital role in ranking your website. If you don't have good citations, you're not going to rank. If you don't have good backlinks, you're not going to rank. If you don't have good content, you're not going to rank. So they all kind of tie in together. So as you can see, 58 backlinks. So obviously not as much as the other dude, but this guy's still number 1 because he's beating number 2 with content and his website's bigger. So that's everything I wanted to show you today. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me through Facebook, or you can call or text me anytime, 515-468-3039. Thanks.